First watch was made by Qutbi, a renowned watchmaker of his time. During the Abbasid reign, the use of a watch became quite common, and the famous Harun al-Rashid once dispatched a watch as a gift to his celebrated contemporary, the French Emperor Charlemagne. That time a watch was considered a novel thing in Europe and was regarded as an object of wonder. Mustansariya, the well-known University of Baghdad, had a unique clock with a dial blue like the sky and a sun which continually moved over its surface, denoting the time. Maulana Shibli, the famous Urdu literature, has described a watch of Damascus in the following words. Watch was kept in the door of a wall. It contained copper plates and 12 doors. There was an eagle, bat, standing in the first and the last plate. At the end of each hour, these two eagles lay down on the copper plates, and hence a sound was produced to show the time. At 12 all the doors were closed. This system was being repeated continuously. Construction of water clocks was also common in Islamic countries. The Arabs were skillful in the construction of clepsydras and water clocks with automata, says a European writer.